What's up, YouTubers? It turns out I couldn't show you around the place, but maybe next time. We're out at the lake. We're out at the lake looking for we're catching fish. My goal is to catch a snapping turtle. My mom told me that there's some snapping turtles in here. So yeah. Wish me luck. Yeah, so we got this cool tackle box that we're using. We have fake bait, live bait. We got worms somewhere. So yeah, this thing has everything. We got a sweet fishing. I got my sweet fishing pole. My dad's fishing pole. Yeah. There's lots of geese and ducks, but we haven't catched anything so far. Well, see you in the next video. Bye.